Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Zengo wallet on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Zengo wallet application on your Android device so that you can manage and track your cryptocurrency portfolio in one place, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search box as soon as you open Play Store, which is located at the top of the screen. In the search box, type in Zengo and make your search. Once you find the application displayed on the search result, tap the install button in green right next to it to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded, and soon after the application gets downloaded, tap the open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Zengo application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.